doing well.
Luggage claim, ground transportation, and
Now riding the
concourses B
tram
and
to go
C.
pick up our luggage.
Yeah, because we're lazy.
So lazy.
I'm tired.
So tired, but back in Michigan, and I'm both happy and sad because my body hurts. But like, what cons need to do? They need to have like 2 days and then like a day off and then like another
more day.
Yeah,
I need a day off.
Yeah, you need a day off because my body totally hurts right now. Like,
Shaky.
shaky, doing stuff. We had a really great time.
Yeah, it was so much fun.
And hopefully we'll have the money to go again and to go to other fun.
And
This is the terminal
we thought of
station.
something, so
Exit now
stalk
for gates
us
829
on like
through
Tumblr and stuff.
855.
We'll be posting up some
Luggage
fun
claim,
stuff,
ground
hopefully.
transportation,
which will
and
hopefully help
concourses
us
B and
out.
C.
Being able to see things and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
And everyone. Oh, we're getting off the train.
Gotta get off the train.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.